Today is day 20, and today taught me a very unexpected lesson. Sometimes the most stressful days in agency work are not when the client rejects the design, but when the client says nothing at all. Silence looks small from the outside, but inside it creates overthinking, anxiety, self doubt, everything. And today was exactly that kind of day. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Shivansh and I'm building my web development agency from scratch in 365 days. Daily actions, daily progress, real ups and downs, no filters. If you're into business or web development, subscribe and follow this journey. So here's where today started. Yesterday I redesigned the whole theme after the feedback I received. Colors fixed, logo fixed, alignment fixed, UI consistency fixed. I literally sat down and rebuilt the section by section. And I sent the new design to the client for review today afternoon, and I've not heard from them after that. At first, I was calm. I told myself they might be busy, but as the hours passed, I started checking the phone every few minutes. You know that feeling when WhatsApp का notification नहीं आ रहा होता and you start refreshing conversations without reason. And the mind starts creating theories. Maybe they did not like the redesign. Maybe I still didn't match the brand feeling. Maybe I messed up again. And here's the interesting part. This exact situation is what a lot of Indian freelancers fear about Kuwait or Gulf lines. Not silence but uncertainty. Why WhatsApp culture इतना fast है कि अगर client reply नहीं करता, even for a few hours, freelancers feel something is wrong. और अगर फ्रीलांसर रिप्लाई ना करे तो क्लाइंट फील करता है समथिंग इज रॉन्ग सो दोनों तरफ एंजाइटी होती है बेस्ड ऑन नथिंग बट वेटिंग टुडे आई रियलाइज्ड इवन विद इंडियन क्लाइंट्स दैट सेम energy exists. Silence is pressure. At one point in the day, I generally question myself: Am I overthinking, or is there really a mistake in the redesign? And then another question: Should I follow up or wait? And the answer was uncomfortable. Sometimes their right move is to wait. Not because of ego, but because you have already made a move. You have delivered the work. Now it's the client's turn to review. And following up too fast can look like desperation. So I decided to respect the process instead of panic. This one thought helped me. The moment I sent the work, my job was done for that phase. The next task doesn't start until feedback arrives, so instead of staring at the phone, I shifted my focus to learning. आज थोड़ा तबीयत भी खराब थी, but I still try to make time for design improvement videos, color theory study की, and maybe this is the real takeaway from today. Silence from a client doesn't mean failure. It doesn't mean success either. It simply means the game is still on, and if you use that gap to improve instead of panic, you silently get ahead. I don't know when the client will reply tonight, tomorrow, maybe after 2 days. I don't know whether they will like the redesign or I will have to improve it again. And honestly, that uncertainty is part of this 365 day journey. So, once the feedback comes, good or bad, we will say it here tomorrow without filters. If you're following this journey, subscribe and like the video. And if you're a business owner watching this and you want a clean, modern website that actually represents your brand properly, my portfolio link is in the description. Let's build something good together. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, let's keep building.